Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all been having an amazing 2018. Comment down below what you guys did for New Year's because I just want to know how your year's been going. Hasn't been that long, but anyway, just saying. So today I wanted to talk about how to make some healthy habits and also just tweak your lifestyle so that going forth for the next year, you're going to be your happiest, healthiest selves. And I'm always trying to integrate healthier habits and just be mindful of the sort of things that I do each day, making sure that I'm not neglecting myself and doing all the right things for my mind, body, and soul. So I thought we can do this together. I'm not a huge fan of New Year's resolutions because I feel like those things really have to come from within and not just because it's a new year and it's the 1st of January and you should quit chocolate or you should run more. I don't really know if they necessarily work for me, but I'm always trying to be healthier, so I thought it was just a very fitting time to make this video, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so when thinking about the sort of healthy habits that you want to put into practice, there's a couple of steps that you got to go through in order to finally get there and make it part of your day-to-day routine. So first off, I want you guys to think about the different areas of your life that perhaps you could tweak and improve. It could be your sleep, fitness, work-life balance, attitude, diet. Have a think about the different areas of your life that you want to improve and make some healthy changes, and make sure that you write these down. So now you can focus on particular areas of your life that you want to change and think about what you want to do differently. You don't actually have to add things, you might want to subtract. So if it's your diet, maybe you want to eat less processed foods, less processed sugar, refined sugar, or maybe you want to add in more vegetables, or if you're like me, sometimes you have a bad habit of eating really quickly and rushing through meals. So maybe you just want to be more mindful when you're eating and take it slowly. So have a think about what you might want to tweak in different areas of your life. And again, write these down too, because writing it down is key. Now, something that always helps me to establish healthier habits is to treat myself. So I don't mean having like a huge shopping spree or overindulging with sweets and I don't know, different things like that. But I find it really helpful to just do something nice for myself that's going to motivate me to establish those habits. So if I want to be practicing yoga more regularly, maybe I'll just pop into Lululemon and treat myself with a new sports bra and leggings because I can justify that. It's a good excuse to treat yourself because you're boosting your motivation and you're rewarding yourself for positive behaviors. You've also got to be mindful that when establishing healthy habits, it takes a little while. It actually takes about 3 weeks for it to become part of your daily routine and just integrate into your life. So you're not necessarily going to remember to do all of the little things that you want or you set your mind to every single day, which is why you want to automate it. You want to set reminders in your phone, leave little reminders in your diary, or stick some sticky notes on the fridge. And that's actually something that I have right now. I have a little goal tracker on my fridge for all of my healthy habits. And yes, I have reminders on my phone to have a green juice every day, to go to yoga, to go to the beach. It's just about making it as simple and easy for yourself as possible because it's kind of tricky to set these habits all on your own. Now, a little hack I picked up when I was studying psychology at uni is to leave physical reminders around the house. So if you wanted to exercise more, do not keep your runners in your closet because you'll forget. If you have them at the foot of your bed or at the front door, it's going to actually remind you and you're going to feel guilty ignoring the fact that you've left them there and you should be going for a run. So if you can, think about some different things you can leave around the place without cluttering up your life. And it's really going to help. So for me, I always keep fresh fruit and veggies on the bench. I always have my greens powder container at the front top shelf of the fridge because if it's hiding behind all my other stuff, I'll never remember to take it, and yeah, there goes that healthy habit. So think about the things that you can leave lying around and trust me, it works. Now, if you can actually share these goals or habits with friends, anyone that you live with, it's also going to make you feel more responsible for sticking to them. So I've actually told Adam everything that I want to be doing differently that's really going to make a positive impact on my health and my well-being. And I feel like if I'm not sticking to it, he's going to be aware. So if he notices that I didn't meditate that morning, I kind of feel guilty. And not saying that we want to be feeling guilty or bad, but just while we're trying to get into this new routine or habit, it does make a difference and it will get you to stick to it. Now this tip might seem a little bit basic, but it's the honest truth, and this is what I found. You've just got to start. So don't wait for a particular day, don't wait for the weekend, don't wait for next week or next Friday or after this party to start eating healthy. Just do it today. You've really got to prioritize yourself, and when you do, you're going to be much more committed and you're not going to be procrastinating, because trust me, the second that you start saying you'll do something another day and you keep putting it off, you'll probably put it off till next New Year's Day. And like I mentioned earlier, you've just got to give yourself a bit of time, because establishing new habits, it takes a bit of time. It takes about 3 weeks, 21 days. So just be patient if you're not feeling super motivated to do it, if you're finding that it's still a little bit of a struggle to get out of bed, to go for that walk again, to practice yoga or to eat healthy and you're not really loving it. It just takes time for the body to adapt to these kinds of changes. And if you're anything like me, you've got to be really strict. I found that the second I start straying from these habits, it's like all of the hard work I've done just goes out the window. So if I've committed to meditating every morning, I promise you, I have meditated every single morning for the last 4 or 5 weeks. I haven't missed a day. And even if I've got to be somewhere and I'm in a bit of a rush, I'll make sure I wake up earlier, or I'll just do a briefer version of my meditation. And it makes me feel really good that I'm committing to myself. So make sure that you do not stray from your healthy habits. You've just got to push through and make sure that you do them really regularly, and it does become second nature. So comment below, what are some healthy habits you guys want to be sticking to for 2018? And maybe we have similar healthy habits, maybe not, I don't know, but we can share them all around and just give each other some ideas and tips on how we can all be happier, healthier, more mindful, more calm, and just really enjoy this year and make sure that we're doing everything that our bodies need so that we can be our best selves. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you next Friday at 10 PM with another video. Mwah! Bye my lovelies.